everybody! Welcome to our Purim celebration. Wait, what? You don't know me? What do you mean you don't know me? I've been here when we celebrated Hanukkah, don't you remember? What? Oh, hold on a second. 1 minute. Do you recognize me now? Okay, let's start again. Hi everybody, welcome to our Purim celebration. We have a lot to do. We're going to craft, and we're going to bake, and we're going to listen to a story. So, let's begin. חג פורים, חג פורים, חג גדול ליהודים. מסכות, רעשנים, שירים וריקודים. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. ברעשנים. חג פורים, חג פורים, זה איזה שולחים מנות. נחמדים, ממתקים, נגד מגדנות. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. הבה נרעישה, רש, רש, רש. ברעשנים. Let's craft a grogger. רעשן. רעשן makes noise. רעש. רעש. Noise. רעשן. A grogger. We're going to use the ra'ashan when we listen to the story of Purim, Megillat Esther. Every time we're going to hear the name Haman, we're going to make a lot of noise, ra'ash, with our ra'ashan. There are many ways to make ra'ashan, but the first thing you need is a container. You can use a plastic box. You can use a paper roll, a strong paper roll, and you need a grown-up to help you close the paper roll. You can also use 2 plastic cups and put them together. You need help here to glue it as well, like I did with this big one. But the most simple way to make it is with a water bottle. You can use this kind of water bottle or a plastic water bottle. The second thing we need is something to make noise inside of our container. We're gonna use beads. I'm gonna show you how to make ra'ashan from plastic cups with the help of a grown-up and in a water bottle. We're going to start with the cups. Let's count 10 beads to put inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we need the help of a grown-up to glue around and put the second cup on top. Now we're gonna make a ra'ashan with our water bottle. We're gonna put 10 beads in here too, but this time we're going to count them in Hebrew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna close the bottle really tight, as tight as we can. We can ask for grown-up to help us here as well. Let's listen. Now we can go ahead and decorate. מי ברעם אנוכי הרעשן, סיפור השמעתם כבר פעם, זה סיפור ישן נושן. רש 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 רש, זה סיפור ישן נושן. רש 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 רש, זה סיפור ישן נושן. במגילה לכו תקראו, זה סיפור יפה וטוב, ואני אם אך תשמעו אספר רק את הסוף. רש 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 רש, אספר רק את הסוף. רש 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 רש, אספר רק את הסוף. But wait a second. Why do we need to make noise when we hear Haman? And who is Esther from Megillat Esther? I think it's time for a story. Long ago in the city of Shushan, there lived a kind man named Mordechai. He cared for his niece Esther. Mordechai and Esther were Jewish. In Shushan, there was a king named Achashverosh, who needed a new queen. After searching far and wide, he chose Esther, who was not only beautiful, but also kind and clever. Esther moved to the palace to become the queen, but she kept her Jewish identity a secret. Meanwhile, there was a man named Haman who worked for the king. Haman was unkind and didn't like the Jewish people. He plotted to harm all the Jewish people in the kingdom, causing fear and sadness among them. Mordechai sent a message to Esther asking for her help. Esther knew she had to be brave. She prepared a special dinner for the king and invited him and Haman. During the dinner, she told the king that she was Jewish and revealed Haman's plan to harm her people and asked the king to stop him. The king was shocked and angry. He ordered Haman to be taken away and punished. Then the king asked Mordechai to take Haman's place, as Mordechai was known for his kindness. The Jewish people were saved, and Mordechai became an important advisor to the king. ומרדכי יצא מלפני המלך בלבוש מלכות ועטרת זהב. ומרדכי יצא מלפני המלך והעיר שושן צהלה ושמחה. ליהודים הייתה אורה ושמחה, אורה ושמחה וששון ויקר. ליהודים הייתה אורה ושמחה, אורה ושמחה וששון ויקר. Excuse me, do you have something special for Purim?
Yes, was made a man.
Can I have 2, please? Thank you. Ew. Wait a minute. That's not real. Let's go make real אוזני המן. עיגול. משולש. עיגול. משולש. עיגול. משולש. משולש. עיגול. משולש. זקן יורד לי עד ברכיים, שפם ארוך לי אמתיים. יש צועלת ושמחה כמוני מסכה, יש צועלת ושמחה כמוני מסכה. קרניים לי קרני התיש, שיניים לי שיני הליש. יש צועלת ושמחה כמוני מסכה, יש צועלת ושמחה כמוני מסכה. מלפני צמא עם סרט, מאחורי זנב תפארת. יש צוהלת ושמחה כמוני מעשיך, יש צוהלת ושמחה כמוני מעשיך. משלוח מנות. I have my costume on, my רעשן, and משלוח מנות. I think I'm ready to celebrate Purim now. חג פורים שמח!
ליצן קטן נחמד, רוקד עם כל אחד. ליצן קטן שלי, אולי תרקוד איתי. אולי תרקוד איתי. אולי תרקוד איתי.